Guys, welcome back to another video today. I'm showing you the new project car we have, obviously as a replacement for the Metro because that's gone due to the rust. Some of you might have seen it already on my Instagram page. It's a much more versatile car and there's much more of a modification scene for these, so it's quite good to modify. Obviously it's not going to be staying standard for too long. Just so you know, it isn't actually mine, it is my girlfriend's, but it will be a joint project, so whatever's done will be on her behalf because it's not mine to modify, it's hers. So yeah, let me introduce you to her new car. This is the new MGZR. It's a 105, so that's the 1.4 K series. Same engine as what was in the Metro originally, in Katie's Metro. This has got a few little bits done to it. Obviously it's got an air filter on it, and the exhaust has been done as well. Orange grills. Let me know what you think about them. I quite like these. I think it goes well with the grey. Some people aren't too keen, but at the end of the day it's not their choice, so that's fine. Obviously it needs a bit of work. This headlight here is damaged, as you can see. But for the grand total of £280, this car was actually a bargain. It went through its MOT. Yeah, nothing wrong at the front. It needs a bit of a bumper refurb really. As you can see, it's got a few scuffs. This wing's got a dent in it. Coming on the side, it's really dirty, but it is winter, so ignore that. It's got a giant key scratch here, all on the side. That's not too much of a problem. The previous owner tinted the rear lights quite poorly, so they need to come off and we just start again. Obviously it's got an exhaust on it as well. The badges need doing as well because they've gone all like peely. Again with the side badges, they've faded as well. All the way down the side again, there's various scratches, dents, ring there is dented. Most notably, obviously 17-inch wheels as it's down on the MGZRs. This is Katie, my girlfriend. She's been seeing more of her on the YouTube channel recently. This is her car, so she's the one who's saying what I need to do to it. But yeah, like I say, loads of plans for it. We've got various bits coming already for it, so you'll see that in the channel recently. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this new project. I know it's not quite a Metro, and don't worry, this will not be staying in here. It will be having a replacement engine, and it will be a lot faster than it is now. So yeah, that's to be done very soon. Like I say, all around it's actually quite clean for £280. You can't go too far wrong really. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the new series that's coming up on this. Stay around. My Metro's coming back soon as well. But yeah, stay tuned for more. And hopefully you enjoy this little series. See you guys soon.